Guys, and welcome back to TechCon. So today we will be discussing about how to create multiple donut chart. Okay. So in our previous video we have seen how to create a single donut chart, right? So here we will see how to create multiple donut chart and that to be in a single window. Okay. So let's repeat the same step again like what we have done in our previous video. So first of all we will do the axis minimum of 1 and again minimum of 1. Okay, then convert it to dual axis, then make this as an entire view, then click on this all and increase the size. Okay, then click this first one and I'll just make it as pie chart. Okay, then drag and drop region into color, the same step. Okay, then click the second one, decrease the size a little bit. Okay, then click on this color, edit color, click this minimum of 1 and click this white. Okay, apply, then okay. So this is the simple donut chart what we have done in our previous video. If you have not watched my previous video, then I'll just provide that link in my description. You can go and watch that full video. Okay, so here I'll just take sail into the angle. Which one? In the first one. Okay, so just drag and drop sail into angle. Okay, so that depending upon the sail, the angle will change. Okay, this thing also we have done in our previous video, right? So now let's do the multiple donut chart. Okay, so first pick a product category into column. Okay, this one is the product category. Let's take this one and drop it in the column section. Okay, see, so we are getting now 3 different product category, right? One is your technology, second one is your office supply, and third one is your furniture, right? You are getting 3 donut chart right now, right? So I'll do one thing here, just drag and drop region into row. Okay, okay, so that you will be getting multiple donut chart, right? So now just click on this presentation mode, otherwise you can click on F7 mode. Okay, so that you can see these are the multiple donut chart, and in my right hand side you can see the region, central region, east region, south region and west region. Okay, and like the x-axis will tell you about the segment and the y-axis will tell you about the region. Okay, so now if you want to give some label also you can give, just click on escape mode, then go to the second one, this one. Okay, and put sail into label. Just drag and drop sail into label. Okay, then if I again press F7 or this presentation mode, you can see this the sum of the sail in the bottom side, right? But if I want to change the alignment, that also I can change. Just click on the escape one. Okay, then go to this label, right click one. Okay, then click on this alignment part, then click on this center alignment, this one and this one. Okay, now you can click on presentation mode so that you can see this is on the middle, like center alignment, right? So in this way you can create multiple donut chart. And let's do one thing here. I'll just rename this sheet as multiple donut chart. Okay, copy this, bold. I'll just make it as white, apply, okay. Okay, then click on the format part and make it as black. Okay, then click on this one, make it as 10, bold and white. And then click on column divider, make it as none, header also none. Then click on this grid part, make this as also none. Okay, now we'll do one thing, just increase the size, decrease the size. Okay, then click on enter view. See, this looks like a perfect donut. So in this way you can do multiple donut chart. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. Thank you for watching my video.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz, so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.